Hello po mga ma'am and sir. I am Sir Wawi ulit po. So, this evening po or tonight, we will have a clarification lang po, sort of clarification about elements and compounds. Kasi may nagtanong din sa akin na teacher po about this one. Okay, what is the main difference between elements and compounds? Kayo ba mga ma'am and sir, before tayo mag-discuss, ano pong ginagawa natin? Nagre-review ba tayo? Nagbabasa ba tayo ng mga lesson exemplar or etc. or any updates sa portal natin kung may nabago ba. Kasi sa science minsan is may mga nababagong ideas. Yung akala mo tama ngayon, kinabukasan hindi na. So we as science teachers talaga, we really need to be updated always sa mga ideas. Siguro nagkaroon lang tayo ng misunderstanding about this. So start na tayo para linawin lang natin yung kaibahan sa elements and compounds. Are you ready? So, i-define muna natin. So, ang element po, pag sinabi nating element, only one type of atom. And you are correct that the standard form of an element sa ating periodic table, yung kanilang chemical or yung kanilang symbol is, let's say, hydrogen, H. Okay. So, ang compound naman is binubuo ng different types of atoms chemically combined or they are composed of different types of atoms. Nandun yung word na different. Tatandaan natin sa compound, ano? Okay, so clear na clear naman 'to, napaka-basic naman mga teachers, ano. So, sige. Ayan, so may nagtanong po sa akin, bakit daw dito sa formative assessment ko, bakit daw kinonsidered ko yung chlorine gas as element, not a compound? Sabi niya sa akin is, dapat po sir ang chlorine gas is a compound. Okay, but still, nag-stand ako na, yeah, no, it's an element. Kino-considered pa rin natin siya as element. Okay, not in a 100% manner, ano. Kasi sa ating formative assessment, doon sa ating lesson exemplar, papakita ko lang. Ito yung ating formative assessment. Okay, yan sa lesson exemplar. Ang choices lang po is element and compound. May nagsabi sa akin na ang Cl2 din is a molecule. Yes, it is. Tama po. That Cl2 is a molecule, a diatomic molecule to be specific kasi binubuo siya ng same atoms. Diatomic talaga siya. Pero dito kasi mga maman sir, wala po tayong choices na kung diatomic pa siya or polyatomic. Ano, so mag-focus lang tayo kung element yung or compound yung substance or material. Pero may basis naman yung ating mga sagot dito bago tayo magpandalas ng pagsasagot. Ano? So, basahin natin mga ma'am and sir yung sinasabi dito. Start tayo dito sa all. Okay. All covalent compounds are in the form of molecules. Tandaan, all covalent compounds are in the form of molecules. May nakalagay, but not all molecules are compounds. Nakuha po. Not all molecules are compounds. Okay. Sige, magbasa pa tayo. Homonuclear diatomic molecules. This means that the molecules are made of two similar atoms as shown in the photo. Nasa taas po yun. Oxygen is a diatomic in our environment. Aside from oxygen or oxygen gas, other examples are H2N2, Cl2, F2, Br2, and iodine or I2 because they are composed of the same elements. Sometimes they are considered as diatomic elements. Nakita naman po natin, diatomic elements. Wala po sinabing diatomic compounds. As they are the elemental form of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and halogens in the environment. Homonuclear means that the composition of the banded atoms nuclei is similar. Okay, ang layo po sa pagiging compound. Okay, so doon pa lang tayo is maliwanag na. Ito yung basis natin. So, tama naman talaga. So, next, letter B. Few elements atoms could chemically combine with themselves more than once. Pwede nga silang mag-chemically combine sa kanilang sarili more than once. Like for example, yung mga allotropes like ozone, O3. Okay, an allotrope of oxygen. While tetraphosphorus is an allotrope of phosphorus. Okay, among all elements, carbon has the most allotropes, some of which are diamond and graphite. But take note that they are not compounds. Okay na po tayo doon? Clear na po ba? Baka pa may magtanong na Cl2 is a compound or nagpupush. Sige, kayo na pong bahala mag-judge. Okay, what's your take po mga ma'am and sir? Ayan. So, clear na po ba? Hindi lang po yan ang aking references. Meron pa po tayong mga references about this one. So, pwede po tayong mag-search kung ano po yung inyong take dito. Kasi nga po, yung ating, like fluorine, yung mga halogens family, chlorine is a diatomic in nature, occurring as Cl2 rather than Cl. Okay, element pa din po sila. Ano, so, pero kung may choices naman po kung diatomic, ay dito natin sila ilagay. Kaso nga lang, ito po yung nandun sa ating assessment. Okay, so pasensya na po mga ma'am sir ha, hindi po ako nagpapakalat ng misinformation about CL2. Okay, medyo mabigat pong paratang yun. Okay, so thank you so much for clarification. Hopefully tayo ay na clarify about this one. Thank you so much. No harm po ha, wala po akong ibang ibig sabihin dito. I just want to clarify the um, your idea about elements and compounds.